Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel, English and Aries, your favorite YouTube channel. As you already know it, my name is Lugens and I am happy to bring you a new video today about shopping. Mwen gen pil nan nou la kap interese avec sujet sa yo ki se shopping parce que nou reme al fè ti shopping, nou reme al achete surtout rad. Nou ale nan store just to buy clothes. Okay, now, without losing time, let's get started, guys. The first phrase I'm going to share with you today is, do you have a smaller size?
Do you have this in a smaller size?
Okay, you could ask a question like that. Par exemple, ou reme yon rad, ou ap achete yon rad, ou remel, mais ou estime l trop gros. Monta reme yon size ki pi piti, okay? A smaller size. You could say, do you have a smaller size? Do you have a smaller size? Let's repeat this with me, guys. You say, do you have a smaller size? Now, si moun nan ke li gen yon ki pi piti ke sa, li ka fò konnen, kon sa tou si ke pa gen, li ka fò konnen, okay? Lorsque ou ap mande on pi piti size, you say smaller size. Ki sa size la exactement? Size, c'est ça nan pare de grosseur yon bagay kelko. Par exemple, rad la grosseur. Ou bezo kon sil tro piti, c'est size ak pa determine sa, okay? We say size. Now, the second phrase that I have for you is, do you have a bigger size?
Do you have a bigger size?
Bigger size. We say the word bigger. Okay? Bigger size. J'ai même jom désolé, rad la ko reme an, ou ka reme toile la, ou ka reme mak la, et puis, li trop petit pou. Okay? Now you could ask for a bigger size. You ask for a bigger size. Let's move on, guys. We have the third one here. Say, how much is this?
How much is this?
How much? Say, how much is this? How much is this? How much is this? Ça, c'est l'autre mandi pour prix. Okay, when you're asking for price. Okay, if you're asking for prices, you could ask the question like that. You say, how much is this? Est-ce ou besoin qu'on combien ça a coûté? Okay, ou pas vle, par exemple, ou fin choisir à du besoin, et puis, ou ap mandi mounan combien coûte, you can use this phrase, say, how much is this? How much is this? Can you say it with me? You say, how much is this? How much is this? Or you can say, how much is that? Peut-être sou ti loin ba ou besoin, say, how much is that? How much is this? Ti ka tout pro, ou bien ka nan mon, you ask for the price, say, how much is this? All right? And the next one, we have, does it come with a warranty?
Does it come with
A warranty.
Does it come with a warranty? We have the word warranty here. We say the word warranty. What does that mean exactly? Warranty is a written promise that a company or a business makes that promise you to return or to replace the product if it doesn't work, okay? C'est une promesse que entreprise an fè ou, business an fè ou, et ça que wap achete a, produit que wap achete a, si que li pa fonctionne, si pa marche bien, soit yo kapab ranger l pou ou, bien yo kapab remplacer l pou ou yo rele sa warranty. Warranty, c'est ça que yo kapab rele garanti. Ok, ça wap achete a, ou besoin kon si que li gon garanti sou li, combien de temps que li you say, does it come with a warranty? We say, does it come with a warranty? Can you repeat this with me, guys? Say, does it come with a warranty? The word is pronounced like warranty. Warranty. Okay, does it come with a warranty? And I hope you master it. And the number 5, do you have something less pricey? Do you have something less pricey? Now, let's focus on the word pricey.
Pricey.
What does that mean exactly? We say pricey is another way to say expensive, okay? Another way to say expensive. When you say that something is pricey, that means it costs a lot of money. It costs a lot of money. Okay, it is pricey. So if you ask for something less pricey, that means you are asking for something cheaper. Okay, wak man do bagay ki moins cher que ça. Ça ka arrive ou remen ça vraiment, mais étant donné que le coût est trop cob, poche pas permettre ou prendre, okay, you just ask for something less pricey, okay, something less expensive. And the next one right here, the phrase is, where is the fitting room? Fitting room, c'est ça que nous capable de tout dressing room. Okay, we say dressing room. Qui ça dressing room nan exactement? C'est un espace qu'on va jouer dans un store ou bien dans un l'autre espace quelconque, côté que ou capable à mesurer rad sur, l'on va essayer rad, ok? You ready ça? Dressing room or fitting room, okay? Where you can try things or try clothes on or you can put them on, ok? L'on besoin essayer ou mettre sur pour si bon pour vous, laisse ça ou utiliser the fitting room ou bien ça nous relève the dressing room. And the last one right here we have it doesn't fit me. It doesn't fit me.
It doesn't fit me.
Or it does not. It does not fit me or it doesn't fit me. So when you say that something doesn't fit you, that means it is not good for you because the word fit means appropriate. Okay, the word fit means appropriate. If something fits you, it is good for you. Okay, it is the right size. C'est size normal là. Size qui bon pour. But if it doesn't fit you, it doesn't match. Il pas bon pour. Ça pas marcher, ok? So, l'on essaye un bagay, l'on va l'acheter un rad surtout ou bien un tennis soulier ça que li a, ou pral besoin essayer dans fitting room si que li bon pour apprendre, but s'il pas bon pour, pas bon poser, it doesn't fit me. Mais quand ça tout s'il t'est bon pour tout, l'autre pas l'autre a dit it fits me. It fits me. Mais comme li pas bon pour, say it doesn't fit me, alright? And that is the end of the video, guys, and I hope you like it. If you're new here, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, like the video, and share it to a friend. Don't forget, my name is Visions, and I hope to see you in another video.